Hello. If you want to turn on incognito mode on YouTube, then keep watching the video till the end. See, if you turn on incognito mode on YouTube, then your searching results won't be saved on your YouTube application. And the system also won't be able to detect what you are searching on YouTube. And that's the benefit of turning on incognito mode on YouTube. Okay? Now I'm going to show you the process to turn it on. First of all, look at the bottom right corner. Now click on your profile picture. Now at the top side, you get some options here. Sweats account, Google account. And now scroll left a little bit. Now turn on incognito. And as soon as you click on it, this incognito mode will be turned on your YouTube. And later, if you want to turn it off, just follow the same process to do it. But remember one thing. If you turn on the incognito mode on your YouTube application, you won't be able to like and comment on any video. So if you want to like and comment on any video, first you need to turn it off. That's it. So that's all about this incognito mode. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.